Hello and welcome to my chair Moon Salutation class. Take a moment and find a comfortable position seated with the soles of your feet resting on the floor and your hands resting on your thighs. The spine nice and tall. Gently close your eyes and take just a moment just to observe how you're feeling. If you have time and you would like to begin this class with a breathing exercise, please click on one of the links below. Otherwise, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, lower your chin to your chest, stretching the back of the neck. On your next breath in, rotate your head in one direction, making half a circle, and as you exhale, complete the circle. Nice, slow breathing. So inhaling as you circle your head up, raising the chin, and exhaling as you complete the circle. We'll do one more circle in this direction. Inhaling as you're raising the head, and exhaling as you lower. And now we'll inhale, changing direction. Exhaling, circling down. Again, inhaling, raising the head and making the circles as big or as small as feels comfortable. So always listening to your own body. We'll do one more circle in this direction. Inhaling as you're coming up. And on your exhale, completing the circle. And then when you're ready, bring your head back into its normal position in the center. We'll bring the fingertips onto the shoulders and the backward circles of the elbows. So again, making the circles as large or as small as feels comfortable. Maybe gently close the eyes and observe how the shoulders feel. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. And we'll gently change direction of the circles. Keep drawing your attention into your physical body, allowing thoughts and conversations to gently pass by. We'll do one more circle in this direction, and then gently release the arms. Come forward onto the chair if you're able. We'll bring the hands together in front of the heart. We'll take a breath in, stretching the hands up to the ceiling, and as you exhale, lower the hands over to the left. On your inhale, bring the hands back into the center, and exhale, take your hands over to the right. Inhale once more, come back into the center. Exhale, gently lower the hands down. We can bring them onto the hips, or you can support your left leg and step your left leg out, adjusting your position, checking the ankles are below the knees to come into seated goddess pose. So the hands in line with the elbows and the elbows in line with the shoulders at 90-degree angle. Pausing here, drawing the elbows back. Nice slow breaths. We'll straighten the legs and straighten the arms and come into star pose. Take a breath in. On your exhale, lower your left hand onto your left leg and stretch the right hand up to the ceiling. On your inhale, come back into the center. And exhale, lower your right hand onto your leg and stretch your left hand up to the ceiling. Inhale when you're ready, back into the center. Exhale, now cross the left hand across the body onto the right leg and stretch the right hand up to wherever feels comfortable. Inhale, come into the center, and exhale, coming into the other side. Inhale when you're ready, coming into the center. Exhale when you're ready, lower the hands either onto the hips or support the underneath of the legs and bend the legs. Once more, bending the arms into seated warrior pose, drawing the elbows behind the back as much as feels comfortable, opening the chest and the shoulders. Take a breath in, exhale, lowering down, support the left leg and come into the center, and we'll do all of the same on the other side. So hands in a prayer, while inhale, stretch up to the ceiling, exhale, lower to the right this time. Inhale, coming into the center, and exhale, lower to the left. Inhale, coming into the center. Exhale, lowering the hands down, either bringing the hands onto the hips or taking hold of the right leg and step the right leg open, adjusting your position, having the ankles underneath the knees and the arms in goddess arms, drawing the elbows back as much as feels comfortable. Pause here. Well, inhale, straighten the legs and straighten the arms into star. Take a breath in. Exhale, lower your right hand onto your right leg, stretch the left hand up to wherever feels comfortable. Inhale, come back into star. Exhale, lower the left hand onto the straight leg and stretch the right hand up. Inhale, come back into star. Exhale, cross the right hand across the body onto the left leg and stretch the left hand up. Inhale, come into the center. And exhale, cross the left hand across the body and come into the other side. Inhale, come back into star in the center. Exhale, lower the hands down, adjusting the legs or bend the legs to come back into goddess pose. So very subtly drawing the elbows behind the back as much as feels comfortable. Take one more breath in. Exhale, gently lowering the legs, hands down, and step the right leg in. So you can either do exactly the same, or we can add a couple of extra poses if it feels comfortable. So bring in the hands when you're ready in prayer in front of the heart. Inhale, stretch the hands up. Exhale, lower the hands over to the left. Inhale, coming into the center. And exhale, over to the right. Inhale, come into the center. Exhale, stepping out, supporting the leg if you need to, or just stepping out depending on your ability. Into goddess pose, encouraging the elbows back. Next breath in, we'll straighten the arms and legs, coming into star position, so taking your time. Pausing, take one more breath in. Exhale, come into falling star, so lowering your left hand onto your straight leg, stretching the right hand up to the ceiling. Inhale when you're ready, coming into the center, and exhale into falling star on the other side. Inhale, coming into the center. Exhale, coming into a twist, lowering the left hand across the body onto the right leg, stretch the right hand up to the ceiling. Inhale, coming into the center. Exhale, now twisting in the other direction, right hand across the body, left hand up. Inhale, come back into the center. And we'll exhale, take your time and come into goddess pose. So you can either pause here if you'd like to go for a few extra poses. We'll bring the hands down, straightening the left leg, adjusting your position to come into a seated warrior two. So bringing the hands roughly in line with the shoulders, checking the knee is still above the ankle, having a look that both hands are roughly the same height as the shoulders. Take a breath in. As you exhale, rest on your straight leg, stretch your right hand up and over wherever feels comfortable. Well, inhale when you're ready, coming back into warrior two. And now we'll exhale, rest on the bent leg and stretch the left hand up. And wherever feels comfortable, stretching and opening the left side of the torso. Inhale now when you're ready, come back into warrior two. Exhale, stepping back into goddess, so bending the arms, bending the knees, and encouraging the elbows back. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, stepping in the left leg. And now we'll inhale, lift the left foot up, support the outside of the ankle on the back of the right leg, pushing away the heel to flex the foot. We'll take a breath in. As you exhale, we'll come into a gentle seated forward fold, stretching the outside of the left hip. So either pausing here, resting on the leg. If you'd like to go deeper, you can round the back and bring the hands onto the floor. So whichever position feels comfortable, always listen to your own body. Pausing for a few moments, we'll inhale, slowly coming up, support the ankle and the knee and uncross the leg. And we'll do all the same positions on the other side. Hands in a prayer, we'll inhale, stretch the hands up to the ceiling. Exhale, lower over to the right this time. Inhale when you're ready, coming into the center. And exhale, lower over to the left. Inhale, come into the center. And we'll exhale, step out. The right leg coming into goddess, drawing the elbows back and checking the ankles are roughly under the knees. Take a breath in. As you exhale, stretching and straightening the arms and legs into star. Inhaling again. Exhale into falling star, resting the right hand onto the straight leg, stretch the left hand up to the ceiling. Inhale into star in the center. And exhale into falling star on the other side, raising the right hand up. Inhale, coming into star. Exhale, coming into a twist, the right hand across the body onto the left leg, stretch the left hand up to the ceiling. Inhale, coming into the center. And exhale into a twist into the other direction. So left arm across the body, right hand up. Inhale, coming into the center, back into star. Exhale, supporting the legs if it feels more comfortable into goddess. Drawing the elbows back. Just pause for a moment. Take a breath in. As you exhale, lower your hands down. We'll straighten the right leg, adjusting the left leg, and bring the arms in line with the shoulders into seated warrior two. Take one more breath in. Exhale, rest on your straight leg. Stretch the left hand up and over, opening the left side. Inhale into the center. Exhale, rest onto the bent leg and stretch the right hand up and over, stretching and opening the right side of the torso. Inhale when you're ready, come back into warrior two. Exhale when you're ready, adjust your arms and legs back into goddess. Take a breath in. As you exhale, step your right leg back in. And then we'll lift up the leg, bring the outside of the ankle on the back of the left leg, pushing away the heel. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, coming into your forward fold, so any position that feels comfortable for you. So resting on your leg or bringing the hands onto the floor. So listen to your own body today. Pausing, nice slow breathing. On your next breath in, very slowly, when you're ready, tucking under the chin, around the back and slowly come up. Support the ankle and the knee, uncross the leg. And then we'll pause here. So this is the end of our practice today. If you would like to finish the practice with a guided meditation, please click on one of the links below. Otherwise, take a moment just to close your eyes, to thank yourself for dedicating time to you and your own health and well-being. Just take a moment just to observe how you're feeling. How is your physical body? How is your breath and your mind? So thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again. So please remember to like and to share this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe below. Bye-bye.